let me tell you, they are like rock stars. We got this really cool looking Voyageur suitcase in a bold yellow color, and the color is absolutely eye-catching. We just love how sturdy it is with its wide handle and how smoothly it moves with these 360 degrees rotating wheels with the anti-shock design so your belongings don't bump around in the luggage.
This is the Voyageur carry-on from Level 8, and it does come in 3 different sizes. This is the carry-on, but they do have 2 checked sizes as well. The biggest difference between this bag and other bags is this wide handle right here. Most bags have a skinny little handle like this. It's not very sturdy, it's not very easy to maneuver, and most of all, you have the little handles in your luggage that you have to kind of pack around. So that's why I'm really excited to show you guys this bag today.
Quite a lot of space in both of the set of compartments, and you can see here you can just keep all your toiletries, and so you can see this is how the space looks like. The fabric quality looks quite good. This is made of very good material, and this is a premium suitcase. So if you're looking for a really good quality, high quality suitcase, you should definitely look at this. You can see this very soft, transparent compartment for your suitcase.